Alright guys, we've got a massive exclusive for you today. While everyone's been talking about EVs, we just got our hands on some incredible new details about what Mercedes is cooking up for 2026. We've been tracking the latest spy videos from the Nürburgring at deep winter testing at Sweden, and trust me, the updated W223 S-Class is about to blow your mind. Forget about a simple facelift. Mercedes is going all in to prove that the S-Class is still the undisputed king of cars. The most insane thing we spotted in the latest leaks is the lighting. It's a total game changer. Each headlight now features an LED signature in the shape of the three-pointed star, literally the brand's logo right inside the lens. It looks incredibly high-end and ensures this car won't be mistaken for anything else on the road, even in pitch black. The grille has also grown taller and more vertical, giving the front end that massive get-out-of-my-way presence. In terms of size, this beast in the long wheelbase version still stretches over 5 meters 29 centimeters, or a solid 208.3 inches. The wheelbase, 3 meters 21 centimeters or 126.6 inches, means the interior feels less like a car and more like a private jet. But the real shocker came when the paparazzi managed to snag a shot of the cabin. Friends, Mercedes is officially bringing the MBUX Hyperscreen from their electric models over to the gas-powered S-Class. We're talking about a single massive piece of glass spanning the entire dash with 3 separate screens. But here's the kicker. We noticed a tiny detail the EVs don't have: a physical start-stop button to the left of the steering wheel. It looks like Mercedes actually listened to the fans and kept a touch of old-school soul. The rear legroom is still king at 111 centimeters or nearly 44 inches, so you can literally stretch out and nap back there. Now let's talk about the engines, and the news here is fire. Our sources confirm that the legendary V12 on the Maybach isn't going anywhere. That 6-liter V12 with 621 horsepower and 900 newton-meters, or 664 pound-feet of torque, is staying right where it belongs. For the rest of us, the iconic V8 in the S580 has been tuned up to 496 horsepower and 700 newton-meters, or 516 pound-feet of torque. Even the base S500 inline-6 is packet heat with 442 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. And that monster AMG hybrid hits 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds flat. That's faster than you can finish this sentence. Finally, the latest test footage shows Mercedes is pushing their next-gen Level 3 autonomous tech to the limit. Word on the street is that on the highway, the car will soon be able to drive itself at speeds up to 95 kilometers per hour or 59 miles per hour, completely hands-free. Mark your calendars, the world premiere is set for January 29, 2026 at the Mercedes Museum in Stuttgart. Prices in the US will likely start around $120,000 for the base model and easily clear $200,000 for the Maybach or AMG versions. But judging by these shots, it's worth every single penny. What do you guys think? Are those star headlights pure class or just a bit too much? Drop a comment below and let's get into it.